Nothing in chemistry attracted me. I just wanted to study in a university because I came from a kibbutz where people, it's kind of a commune and people don't study for examination. So I want to study and went to chemistry just by chance because my friend says that this might be good for me. So in the first year and a half, I just want to get straight A, to get the best grades, and it did not bother me which direction I'm choosing. And I think it's not a bad idea to start without thinking which direction you go, because you first want to develop your ability to do things. And then maybe in the third year I start to be interested in more biological problems. And eventually, when I start to see that I could ask a lot of questions, I become interested in each of the problems that I choose. So it's not that I woke up at the age of 13 and thought that I'm going to do something important in some field. It's clear that you want to work on things which look impossible if you want to find something new. Because if you work on something that it's already known, just try to improve it, you will not find something really new. Whether you work hard on this or not, it's if your question is related to working hard, though people say, oh, you work hard so many years, I never felt that I'm suffering from. But I think it's important to keep thinking on the problems that you are doing. So eventually your brain finds a way to move forward. There are people who pretend that they sat beneath a rock on the beach and suddenly they got a theory, including Newton with the apple story, which is, of course, incorrect. So I think it's important to work on hard and solve problems. I don't even know what does it mean to think hard. I mean, you just try to think again and again and maybe to write on a block what you think is your next step. So I think that you have to use your talent, but to choose problems which are not, that people say that it cannot be solved. If you are a very good mathematician, if you just try to prove some hard formula, essentially it's not so bad, but if you hear about a problem in biology and understand it, it might be a good direction. I think that my main strength is intuition. Maybe you are a mediocre mathematician, but you have very good intuition on what question to ask. For example, in my case, at least one person says that it's unfair that I'm always guessing the answer and then developing the mathematics for it, which is much easier to be a very good mathematician to write the formulas, but you don't know the formulas for what. So I think that this theory might miss the issue of intuition, which is the way to see over the horizon without necessarily being good in climbing mountains.